Welcome back to my channel. My name is James with J-Man Travels, and today we're going to be exploring the W Aspen. The W Aspen is one of the prettiest hotels I've ever stayed at, especially this lobby. Absolutely gorgeous. In case you forgot you're staying at the W, there's a sign right there to remind you. How pretty is that? After a quick walk up the stairs, you come into the main dining area. This is where you can have breakfast, lunch, dinner, or just sit back and enjoy the beautiful views of the mountains outside the window. Once inside the room, the first thing you come to is the bathroom. It's a beautiful modern W-style bathroom. It's quite nice. Then just around the corner, you have the bedroom. This room is what W calls a spectacular room with balcony, and I liked it quite a lot. But my favorite part of almost any hotel is the balcony. How pretty, and it's so nice to be able to just sit outside and relax, even if a little snow is falling. One of the cool features of this room is that in this little desk here, they kind of hid a little mini fridge. Nice touch. Also, all those little pieces and parts come out so you can put whatever you'd like in the mini fridge. They definitely did not skimp on the fits and finishes for this room. It had very nice touches, including these glasses, which were super nice, really heavy. I really liked them a lot. Behind the sink there was the shower. It was pretty nice. Usually there's rainfall showers, but it was still quite a nice shower. And next to the shower you had the bathroom. Privacy was okay. I mean, the frosted glass was pretty well frosted, but still an interesting choice. I think we call it modern. The room also came with two very nice bathrobes. They were very plush. I pretty much wore them the entire time. Next to the bathrobes you had a little closet full of all kinds of goodies. You had your iron board and iron on the left hand side, followed by what some people would consider the most important part of a hotel, the coffee maker. Below the coffee maker you had a few makeup items as well as slippers. It was a nice touch. I was pretty entertained by this mirror here, as you could just push the button and it would turn on and off, but it wasn't really a button, it was like a little touchscreen. I did it quite a lot. Maybe that's due to the rosé that I got when I checked in. Perhaps the most important part of any W hotel is the event space, or as some would say, the place where we have our soiree. In this case, in the W Aspen, it was on the roof. There was plenty of seating area, as well as a pool and hot tub. And if you look the right direction, you're right at the base of the mountain. There's nothing better than the view of people skiing down as you're sitting in the hot tub. As you might notice, this part of the hotel was pretty abandoned. Unfortunately, I was here during something called shoulder season, which is between summer and ski season, so they kind of close the outdoor patio for a little while, and most of the people are gone so they can get a little break before all the winter ski traffic comes in. Well, that's it, the W Aspen. It's such a beautiful hotel and it's in a perfect location. Honestly, W hotels anywhere I really love, but this one definitely stands out. That front lobby is so beautiful. The rooftop pool and patio are just fantastic. And like I said, what's better than a view of the mountains and the ski runs? It's just so pretty. But let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.